Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a simple text effect to help add something kind of different when you're stuck or you don't know what to do. Starting off, I'm going to go to our bottom left corner, go to new, and create our text layer right here. So for this one, I'm using an actual Black Boy Max music video, so I'm going to put Black, I think that's how you spell it, Boy, then Max. Then let me put that back. Gonna highlight our video, our text layer. Then I'm gonna scale it out, keep on scaling it into how you want your text to look like. So I think I might have it like this. So I think right there is pretty nice. And then what I'm actually gonna do is go over here, right click on our text layer, go to blending mode and bring it all the way down to stencil alpha. That's how you create the simple text for your next music video or edit when you're feeling stuck and you don't know what to add. Hope you guys learned something new today. I know it's a short tutorial, and with that out of the way, if you did like this video or you learned something new, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment. It helps support me and helps my videos reach other people who want to learn new effects when they're just feeling stuck or don't know what to add. And apart from that, keep working hard, keep on staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.